Hello students, welcome to Aspirants World. Today is the first lecture of chemistry, class 12, and this is truly based on the CBSE board pattern. Here is lecture 1, solid state. This lecture is basically to focus on the short notes as well as the different formulas which are used for board examination as well as JEE main examinations. So without wasting the time, let's come to the lecture. So number of atom in simple cubic. Number of atom in simple cubic crystal is equal to 1. Number of atom in body center cubic crystal is equal to 2. Number of atom in face center cubic crystal is equal to 4. So we got the number of atoms in simple cubic crystal, body center cubic crystal and face center cubic crystal. Now second point, point number 1. Point number 2, coordination number. The coordination number of simple cubic is equal to 6 with a distance of a unit. Okay. Point number 3. Coordination number of body centered cubic crystal is 8 with a distance of root 3 by 2a. Coordination number of BCC is 6 with a distance of a unit. Coordination number of FCC, that is face center cubic crystal, is 12 with a distance of a by root 2 unit. Then point is coordination number of FCC, that is face center cubic crystal, is 6 with a distance of a unit. Okay, as we have seen, I have given the coordination number of simple cubic crystal, body center cubic crystal and face center cubic crystal. Now we will be coming towards the radius and the relation between A and R. So for simple cubic crystal, A is equal to 2R, which implies R is equal to A by 2. For body-centered cubic crystal, 4R is equal to root 3A, which implies R is equal to root 3 by 4A. For face-centered cubic crystal, the relation between A and R is given by 4R is equal to root 2A, which implies R is equal to root 2 by 4A, which implies root 2 upon 2 root 2A is equal to A upon 2 root 2 R. This is the relation between A and R in case of face-centered.